Now, good morning, my dear students. In the today's class, introducing Python, I am going to discuss data types. What is data type? A data type represents the type of data stored in the variable. The data stored in the memory can be of many types. Python has various standard data types based on the type of its values. So data types are the type of values which in Python in this programming system can be used. For example, it may be integer, it may be float, or it may be string. So according to our need, we will use the data types, and it will be stored in the Python programming system. So every data type is having its own range, means all the data types are having the different properties. Like integer, int uh, int or integer, we can say it has separate range of values, means it will not store this much long of values. It has certain range of values that will be stored in this. So it is the integer representation without any fractional part. No fractional part is there. So its range is 2147 minus 2147 4836 483648 to 2147483648. This is the range of integer in our computer memory system. From negative to positive it will store. Now second is our float. Float is the data type which will hold the numbers with its fractional part. Means decimal part will be there and its range is more than integers. So this is the property of this float. For example, in this 2.76378 up to 15 decimal places it can hold. So this is a very long value. 3 string. String data type is used to hold the word or the sentence. So basically this string is used to hold the address or the name of any particular person. So this is the string. For example, I am giving you some data types and it will be more clear to you. For example, if 15 it is, so what type of data type it is? This is integer. And if 7.9, then it is float. Then third is computer, this is string. Then next is 7 is greater than 3, this is bool. 7 is greater than 3, bool means this is word, so it is string, this is decimal part, this is float. 7 is greater than 3, this is true or false only. So in this boolean data type, this the representation is bool because it is only true and false. Now the next is input function. It's a format to write input and bracket. In this bracket we can use many arguments, means many different formats we can use to enter the value. We can use integer, we can use float, or we can use a string also. So in this input, in this bracket, we can use many different arguments that can be accepted by the computer. So input function is used to accept the value for the variable from the user. To input integer, its format is int, this will accept integer, float, this will accept float. So like this we will use the formats to accept the values. For example, I am showing you one small a is equal to input enter the value. So this is the input function, and this sentence will be shown to you. Then after, if you press enter button, so whatever you have written in double quotes, this will be shown to you. So enter the value, it will be shown to you, and the value which you will give means 100, that you have given, that will be shown to you here. Now if the next is b is equal to input enter the value, so again enter the value will be shown to you, and whatever the value you give, that will come here. So if you perform any mathematical calculation like c is equal to a plus b, so you can see here what is the value of a, 100, what is the value of b, you have given 200. So your answer will be, if you are writing print c, so you will get the answer 100 and space 200. Now you will say, sir, why not 300? Because a and b both are string format. If you have not given any data types, then it will be in a string format. You can't perform any mathematical calculation without the data type. So you have not given any instruction that it is integer or it is float or what it is. So you can't perform any operation in this. So for doing that, you have to write int here to uh, just solve this problem. Now next is your print function. So print function is also used with this bracket, and in this bracket we are giving arguments. There are many number of arguments, means compound arguments may be there, and print function is used to just print the values. It will show the values to us. The print function in Python is used to print a message or value on the output device. Second, it converts the message or an object into a string before writing it on the string. It will convert the value in the string format. It can have multiple parameters. Multiple parameters means many compound statements you can give. It supports multiple escape sequences to format. Escape sequences means /n, new line, /t for tab, or carries return, enter you can use. So this print function is only used to show the output on your computer screen, and this will be more clear with the practical. For all these whatever we have discussed today, I am just going to show you. So we have discussed the theory, and now you are going to see the practical. So you have to pay attention while going through the practical. Now after opening this window, we have to write the codes in this interactive mode. A is equal to input, and in this double quotes whatever we will write, that will be printed, means that will be shown to us. So I have written enter the first value. As I will press enter, so it will be shown to us, enter the first value. So 100 I have given. Then after the second value I am taking, b is equal to input, again double quotes, enter the second value, enter, then it will be shown. So I have given 200. Now one function I am using c equal to a plus b, and print c. So you can see here 100 and 200 both will be there because we have taken the number as a string. Input function will take the number as a string. We have to give the data type integer. So as again I am writing a int input, and here we will write enter the value, enter the first value. So this is the way by which we can consider integer. Now here 100 I have taken. Again the second value we have to take. So b is equal to int input, enter the second value. Now press enter, enter the second value 200. So again when you will use the function c is equal to a plus b, print c, so you will get the answer 300. So what is the difference? We have considered this time integer values, that's why mathematical calculations can be performed. This is the main thing. And hash we will use to write comments. So I am writing simple English, that's why I have used this hash, and everything will be in red color whatever we are writing the comments. The program to swap two numbers, this is the program. Now in this I will interchange the numbers which we will assign in two different variables. So first a is equal to int input, enter the first number, first value. I am copying it so that again I can use it. Now first number I am taking 45. This is not fixed, anything you can take. Now I have pasted it, I will modify it, enter the second value, and the variable I will change here b. Now again enter the second value, 25 I have taken. So remember a is 45 and b is 25. So if I will print a, this is the logic, a comma b is equal to b comma a, to swap the number. How this program is working I will define it later on, but this time you have to learn the codes. Now print new value. Remember a is 45, okay, upside we have given, and it will be shown to us after changing 25. Now here you can see I'm copying it to reuse it again. Now as I will press enter, you can see a is 25, but I have given 45. Now the values is changed. Again the next value b you have given upside 25, but the value of b will be 45 because the values are changed. This is the program to swap two numbers. Now one more program I am discussing. Program to find the area or perimeter also we can find in this. So s is equal to integer input, enter sides. Now enter the side, any side you can take any number as 6. So what is the formula of area? One variable I am taking ar is equal to means s into s, side into side, and perimeter, if we want to find, then perimeter equal to 4 into s. This is perimeter. Now print the whatever we are writing in single or double quotes in green color, it will be directly printed. So the area is, it will multiply 6 into 6, 36. Then print the perimeter is, now here is the mistake, I forget to type comma. So once again I will write this line. Just before P, one comma is needed. You can see here comma is needed. Now you can see the perimeter is 24. 6 4 is 24. Now the next program, how we will take this, I am showing you. Hash create a program to calculate 5% discount on total purchase of stationery. Now let's set example, one variable p is equal to float. I have taken because value may be in decimals, and input float will hold decimal values only. This is the difference. So input, enter the total purchase, and this value will be stored in p. Now my total purchase is, let's an example 400, and the discount is equal to p into 0.05. This is the 5%, 5 upon 100 it is. Then after payable amount, PA I have taken, PA payable amount is equal to P minus T, means total price minus discount is equal to. So print the payable amount is PA. Payable amount is PA. So it is 380. This we can clearly see that 5% is discount in this. Now one more program, it is create a program in Python. Create a program in Python to convert miles into kilometers. One mile is equal to 1.6 kilometer. 1.6 kilometer. Now we will consider one variable, m is equal to integer input, enter the value in miles. Now miles, let's say example, any value you can take. 15 I have taken. Then km one variable which will hold the kilometer value. Km is equal to m into 1.6. Now print the kilometer is km, comma is needed, km. So you can see the kilometer is 24. One more question I am discussing. Create a program to convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. In this program we have to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, and its formula is given in your book. It is C is equal to F minus 32 into 5/9. So F is equal to float value I have taken, means decimal also it will consider. Then input, enter temperature in Fahrenheit. So its value will be stored in F. Now any value you can give. Let's an example. I have considered 85. Then write the formula. C is equal to F minus 32 into 5/9. Now print the temperature in Celsius is C. Is this? Thank you students. I hope this you understand well. I have solved all the questions from your book. Thank you.